which you can see here. We only need one USB cable to connect to PC and two cable, one HDMI, one USB touchback to connect to IFP. Here is the USB touchback port, HDMI port, which connect to IFP display. The next one is USB cable, which connect to PC. And then there you can see the first one is the touchback USB ports on IFP and HDMI ports on IFP2. Okay, here I'm going to show you how DisplayLink works on IFP and VB342Pro. So now I'm scroll the screen, and then you can see on PC it's also scrolling too.